If you're an editor like me who hates having to sift through effects that Premiere has given you, add custom keyframes every single time you want to do a certain zoom or transition, and just isn't satisfied with the overall look and feel of your video, then let me tell you, viewer, sometimes you need to put gasoline on that fire and keep yourself excited about editing. I present to you the Ultimate Bundle Plus, the greatest editing pack for any editor that I've ever made. In this package, you have access to every single pack so far that is on Storzar, including the essential presets, which speed up your workflow insanely, and the animation pack, which adds so much character to your PNGs, enhancing your videos hugely, and the camera shake pack to give you that subtle little wiggle effect that every big YouTuber has, and the transitions pack, which adds some insane transitions, as well as the subtitles pack for anyone that's making gaming videos, short form content, or anything that suits subtitles. And to top it all off, a call to action to seal the deal with your audience. I hope you loved the preset pack, and thank you to everyone who's bought it so far. Make sure that you go and check out www.storzar.com, sign up to our mailing list, and stay up to date with our most recent presets and courses. And also subscribe and make sure to check out our other tutorials on our other presets. Alright, see you later.